Okay, let's check on to the next question. Let del of t denotes the delta function, the value of the integral over minus infinity to infinity, del of t into cos 3t by 2 dt. This question will be very simple if you know the one property of impulse function. Property of impulse function. One among the many properties. The property is any function x of t multiplied with del of t minus t0 will be equal to x of t0. That means amplitude of that signal x of t at t equal to t0 into del of t minus t0. Okay, so I can illustrate with an example. Consider any signal x of t like this, OT. Now I'm drawing del of t minus t0. Del of t minus t0 is nothing but a signal at t0. I mean impulse at t0. Okay, this is del of t minus t0. Right. Now, when you multiply these two signals, x of t and del of t minus t0, at what values of t the product will be 0? Okay, when you multiply this signal with this signal, at what all time values will be the product 0? The answer is at all time except t0, right? At all time except t0, the product will be 0. Okay, and at t equal to t0, what will be the result? It will be an impulse signal. And what will be the strength of this impulse signal? It will be x of t0, because at t0, whatever you have with x of t is just the amplitude of x of t. So amplitude of x of t at t0 is denoted by x of t0. So x of t0 into del of t minus t0 is the answer. X of t0 is a scalar value and del of t minus t0 is a signal here. When you multiply a signal and another signal, the answer should be a signal. So del of t minus t0 is a signal there, and it is multiplied by the strength x of t0, which is a constant. So x of t0 is just a constant. Okay, so this is the answer. Now, what if you integrate this signal from minus infinity to infinity? So integral x of t del of t minus t0 will be from this directly from this relation I can write it is x of t0 into integral minus infinity to infinity del of t minus t0 dt. Okay, because as I have already told you, x of t0 is a scalar value. We can take it outside. Okay. Now this is x of t0 into what is integral over an impulse function? It is 1. That is x of t0. So the answer to this integral is x of t0. Okay, and what is x of t0? It is the value of x of t at t equal to t0. So whenever you multiply any function with an impulse signal and integrate it, the answer will be just the amplitude of the function you are being multiplied with impulse at the time where impulse is present, right? At the time where impulse is present. So this is just a scalar value. Okay, now let us get on to the question. So integral minus infinity to infinity cos 3t by 2 into del of t dt will be equal to x of t0. Here x of t is cos 3t by 2. So x of t0 means cos of 3 by 2 into what is t0? T0 is 0 here. Del of t is being shifted to 0 units. So cos 3 by 2 into 0 is cos 0 equal to 1. So option A is correct.